Blessed be the Lord, my strength, which teaches my hands to war, and my fingers to fight.
Oh shit! Bunch of guys down there.
My goodness, my fortress, my high tower, and my deliverer. My shield, and he in whom I trust.
Bye. Get out of here.
Fucking get out!
So I've been playing a little bit of this game called Enlisted, and it's pretty fun. It's basically I would say a free-to-play Battlefield 5. It's set in World War II. You can use tanks, you can use airplanes, but it's not as polished as the Battlefield franchise is. But anyways, it's pretty fun, but it does have its issues, and we'll get into that later. But for now, I'm gonna show you some of the good stuff, some of the things that I thought were pretty cool, and I thought I did that was pretty impressive. So we're gonna check it out.
Oh shit. Let's go, I'm owning. But if you hold like that, oh, get quick scope. Oh shit, that was a bad shot. Oh, baby!
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
Jesus, you are bad.
So one great thing about this game is that when you die, you just get to respawn as another player, another soldier in your squad. So it allows you to have the possibility to experience the sweet taste of revenge. It's fucking amazing.
Get fucked.
And don't even get me started on knives. Like, look at this shit. If you run out of ammo, you just go crazy. You just pull it out, and it's better than having a gun at close quarters. You just stab the fuck out of people. Watch this shit. Tell me how this isn't a war crime. Look at this. This man is literally running for his life. He is scared. This is terrifying. And by far the best part about the game is sniping. It's really smooth. I mean, it's kind of like Battlefield. You gotta lead them. You gotta, use realistic sort of mechanics to drop people. But it's pretty easy sometimes. A lot of the computer players are kind of just looking off in the distance, like, sucking on their thumbs, sniffing glue. And like the greatest part about it is, as soon as you run out of ammo, you just pull out your knife again and start stabbing people. And you can pick up their weapons after that. You get more ammo. You just kill some Germans and pick up their fucking ammo. So now we're just gonna do like a little sniping montage. Me just laying dudes out basically. Cause honestly, sniping's amazing in this game. SMGs kind of suck. I'll get into SMGs in a little bit. Some SMGs are great. The American SMG is fucking terrible. And I'll show you. Look at this. What is that? Look at all these shots hitting him. They're going right through his body. Look at this. I killed this guy with like 4 shots. This guy, I hit him 8 times. 8 times. And he doesn't die. And it shoots so slow. It's like tick, 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 tick. I don't like it. It's so bad. But the Russian SMG, I don't have clips of it, but the Russian SMG is a lot better. It's way better. Shoots way faster, does a lot more damage quickly, Fix the American SMG, okay? 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 I'm watching you.
Pull out your gun, dude! I killed myself with a grenade!
And this takes me into my next point. Grenades suck. They don't make any sense. They don't throw correctly. It's fucked
up. Oh my god, why'd my grenade do that? I'm gonna get out of the middle here. Oh my god, just climb! Oh, teammate down. Climb! What is this? Am I just stuck in here now?
Climbing sucks, okay? Fix your climbing. That's number one. I get it's in beta, you got room to improve, but climbing ladders, climbing bushes, climbing into windows, climbing over ledges, something's messed up there, guys. Fix it. Thank you. That's actually should probably be tip number one because that's pretty basic. This next part really isn't a problem. It's more of just an annoyance, in my opinion. Anytime your character gets hit by an explosion, he acts like he's fucking Tom Hanks from Saving Private Ryan, where, you know, he's like swaying back and forth. He's got shell shock, can't hear anything, can't shoot at anything. It's just annoying. I get it's like a realism thing, but whatever. So here's what they have on their store. You can spend $99.99 for 1,300 or 13,500 E points, whatever the fuck, enlisted points or coins, whatever. To get $9.90, they don't have that as an option. Obviously, you just have to buy 1,000 for $10. Why make this $9.90? Why not make it just a solid 1,000? So that you just pay $10 and you don't have a stupid leftover 10 coins. It's so fucking stupid. Like, why? Why? Why even do that? Looking back on it, that kind of makes sense. They're free to play. They got to make money somehow, so they have to have like a little battle pass for people to buy. But the final thing that just doesn't quite make sense to me. So, as you can see, there's like up here you have the campaign, like level 3, level 4, level 5. It goes like all the way up to like I think level 20 or like it's maybe in the high 20s. I don't remember. But anyways, your experience doesn't stack. Every level you have to get to. So you start back at 0. And that's not just for, you know, like the one campaign, it's for each side. So you have to level up the allies, you have to level up the Axis on the Normandy invasion campaign. Then you also have to do the Battle of Berlin campaign on each side if you want to get them to like high levels to unlock new things, new guns, new tanks, let's say new airplanes, the Flame Trooper kit and stuff like that. You have to level up to those high levels on each side for each campaign. And I actually did the math. And you need over 2 million experience points to even do that. And then, you know, I also did the math to where, you know, let's say you have a decent game every game. You have like 2,000 experience each game. You still have to play 1,000 games on one side to get 2 million to level it up all the way. So that means you need over like 8 million points. So you have to play like over 4,000 games to get to max level in this game. On each side. That seems a little messed up to me. Something there needs to change, in my opinion, because who has time to play 4,000 fucking games of Enlisted? Okay, I'm done talking about the bad stuff. We can go back to me sniping people again. What the fuck?
Okay. I swear I'm shooting these dudes' fucking heads off. Alright, I got this guy. Oh shit, I just saw his head for a second. out of here.
Yeah, so I'm not really sure how to end this video, but my friend was nice enough to let me use his song and his new album as the background music for this this video. So thank you. I'll actually have a link in the description to his new album. It should be on all major platforms: iTunes, Spotify, well, Apple Music. So yeah, if you listen to music on something, it's probably on there. So yeah, I'll have a link in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Definitely check him out. His new album's very good. Bye.